Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and today I will be discussing you how to change mode of transportation in Waze. So, to do this process, first thing is go ahead and tap on the Waze application into your device. Now, guys, once you are here to change the mode of transportation, you could just simply select the gear icon on the top left corner of the screen. It will be the three lines, and now you can just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon, which is the settings. And now here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and select vehicle details over here. So tap on vehicle details. And now you will have an option over here, vehicle type. So pretty much over here, you will have an option whether you are taxi, so it will get a route great for taxi, or you could go for motorcycle, which it will get you a route that is great for motorcycle. So pretty much you will have these options over here to do this process. And of course, you could also change the vehicle type if you see it over here at the middle, the blue icon. And from here, you will have multiple options as well over here. And you could select multiple filters down below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.